In this video, we will solve Grand Challenge of Master the Mainframe 2020. Click on it. Then it is showing us all the technologies that we have learned in this year in Master the Mainframe 2020. Go down. Here it is telling us what is the prize that we will get if we win this contest. Click on Cool, tell me more. After that, it will show us what are the different ideas using which we can solve the Grand Challenge. Here are some of the ideas that we can do to solve the Grand Challenge. You can read all of these, then go down. Here it is telling us that quality is better than quantity. Then it is telling us that we have to describe our creation in this format. Here is a demonstration of how we have to explain our Grand Challenge. This is an example of the Grand Challenge. So go back to the web page, go down, and then click on Let's Do It. So let us now go to our IBM Linux 1 server that we did in Challenge 2.10 and 2.11. Log into it using SSH imtm2020key.pm, user ID and the IP address of your server. This is the same thing that we did in Challenge 2.10 and 2.11. We have now logged into the Linux 1 server. Let's clear the screen. Let us now install Python 3 on our server using this command. Is this okay? Yes. So Python is now installed. Let's check the version. Python 3.6.8 is there. The pip is 9.0.3. Let us now install Django on the server. Django is now installed. Let's check the version of Django 3.1.7. Let's start a project, Django app. Go inside Django app and migrate. Now I can create a super user. I can give a username. I am giving the username admin. Then give an email address. Then give password, confirm password. And the super user is created. Then go inside Django app and edit settings.py. This is settings.py. Here you have a setting called allowed host. Here you have to give the IP address of the server. IP address of the server is 148.179.219. Make sure it is inside apostrophes. Then save it by giving write and quit WQ. Then add exception to port number 8000 by this command and then reload the firewall. Success. Now I can run the server using this command. Then I have to go to our browser, give the IP address of the server and then followed by the port number 8000. You can see Django is successfully installed. What is Django? Django is a web framework based on Python. If I give here admin, then I can log in using the super user name, which is admin, and then give the password. So using this technique, I can log into this Django website. Here I can add users and groups to my Django website. So the installed works successfully. We have successfully installed Django on our IBM Linux 1 server. Let us now create a simple Hello World app on this Django web framework. So give this command manage.py start app hello world. Hello world is the app that we are creating. Go inside it. Then go inside the hello world directory. Here I have to create urls.py. It is currently empty. Here just enter this command from Django urls, import path, import views, give URL patterns, path, leave it empty, Then give views.show. Show is a function that we will create. Then just save this file and quit it. WQ. Now let's edit urls.py in the main folder. This is the content of that urls.py. Here we have to add one more line which will contain the path of our new app. So give here path include hello world.urls. In the top we have to import path and include. Give comma here, then write and quit. Now let us go to hello world app and edit views.py. Here we have to create a function called show request, and in return it will give HTTP response. Response will be hello world. We can write anything that we want here, and also import HTTP response. That is it. This is our function show. Then write and quit. So let us go to the main Django app, and then here we have to edit settings.py again. Go down and there will be option called installed apps. Here we have to include a new app called Hello World that we just created. Then save and quit. Then go to the main folder and run the server. Now go to the app again and you will see Hello World. So our Hello World website is now working successfully. Go back to the web page, describe the title of your project. We are installing Django on our Linux One server and making a simple Hello World app. In notes we can give that we are continuing from challenge 2.11 of the contest. In that challenge we logged into the Linux One server, and here we are just installing Django and creating a basic Hello World app. In directions I can give the URL of my website. My website is available at this link. And also we can take a screenshot and upload it in the form. My grand challenge image. So let's upload it here. My grand challenge image. Have you double and triple checked your work? Yes. Upload. And it is showing us congratulations. Thank you for participating. Master the Mainframe 2020. Everything is now complete. Click on complete and points will be awarded. Now you can see you have completed every challenge. Grand challenge is now complete. Go to the completed tab and you will see grand challenge is there in the completed tab. Go to available and you will see only one challenge is left, level 3.7, which is congratulations. If you like my videos, then you can support me by buying my mainframe course. After buying this course, you will get 19 hours of mainframe training. This course will teach you COBOL, JCL, vSAM, TSO, ISPF, Unix System Services and CICS. You can watch the free preview before buying my course. Make sure you buy the course using the referral link in the description.